miss you.
Okay, here we go. L-O-V-E-Y-O-U, yes I do.
Okay.
L-O-V-E-Y-O-U, yes I do. L-O-V-E-Y-O-U, I do love you.
Okay.
L-O-V-E-Y-O-U, yes I do. L-O-V-E-Y-O-U, yes I do. L-O-V-E-Y-O-U, I do love you. I-L-O-V-E-U. You see, when I met you, I felt as if I was drawn to you.
Okay.
But who knew that we would last this long? I finally got an opportunity to sing you a love song. You are my breath of fresh air. And you don't always show me emotion, but it's clear to me that you care, and baby, I care too. You see, you comfort me through situations that I think are unfair. You got me in the kitchen learning to cook. I'm even learning to do hair, and every time I do a show, you make sure that you're there. Because you support me through everything that I do, and you're helping me make my dreams come true. So for that, I-L-O-V-E-U, baby, I do love you. And I'm here to let the whole world know that I love you from your head to your toe. And I know you're wondering, like, what's that weird obsession with your feet? It's just ever since the day you walked into my life.
Okay.
I don't know where I would be upon that day we didn't meet.
Okay.
And it's crazy because it even applies to the way that we eat, and to some this may seem dumb. But I like the flats and you like the drums, so we never have a problem splitting a wing ding dinner. So baby, for that alone, I-L-O-V-E-U, baby, I do love you.
I love her.
You see, I know that you are never gonna laugh at my jokes, because you think they're corny. And they are. But I'm gonna keep trying, because when you laugh, you smile, and your smile makes me so very horny.
Yes, baby, I got
But I'm not gonna turn this poem into a poem about lust. It's about love, honor, respect, or maintaining one another's trust. You see, when you feel temptations, you come to me and we talk it through.
That's right.
I put my emotions to the side, not be a friend, because that is what love allows me to do, because I-L-O-V-E-U, baby.
Cause oh baby, I'm telling you, that's true.
But to my own self, I gotta be true. You are so far from perfect, but waking up every day next to you is work. Because with each day you get closer to perfection, and I may not get all of your affection, but when I really, really, really need it, baby, you get it. And that works for us. Now, I'm not gonna paint this picture that we're this perfectly happy couple, because there are tons of situations that we go through. And I get frustrated with you, and I'm sure you get irritated with me, but this journey, it teaches us that it's okay to disagree. And I'm sure we're gonna continue to argue. Unfortunately, we may even fight, and as a woman, I'm working on admitting when you're right. But I gotta make it clear that at the end of each and every night, there is no place I would rather be than with you, because I-L-O-V-E-U, baby, I do. Okay. But you see, the main reason why I know that this is true is because I have seen the very worst of you. And after seeing you at your worst, I still choose to put you first, which lets me know with you is where I want to be. So let's just continue to pray. Let's send up blessings, asking him to make both of us better, and not just as lovers, but as friends. Because that's what people who care for one another do. So I hope you know that I do love you.